Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register. Hey everyone, here is the question for this video. Two towers, 14 meters and 21 meters height respectively, are placed near each other. A line runs from the top of each tower to the bottom of the other as partial support. How high above the ground in meters is the point of intersection of the support line? Pause the video if you want to answer this question first. Now, let's answer this question together. First, let's put a letter in every important point in this diagram. Looking from above, we can see that in this diagram, triangle AEF and ADB is similar. Hence, AF divided by EF equal to AB divided by BD. Next, we can also see that triangle BEV and PCA is also similar. Hence, BF divided by EF equal to AB divided by AC. Now, we can combine this equation into one. Here, we got AF divided by EF plus BF divided by EF equal to AB divided by BD plus AB divided by AC. And then, we can see that in the diagram, AF plus BF is actually AB. Besides that, we also know from the question that BD is 21 and AC is 14. Finally, we divide both sides of the equation with AB to simplify. By working this out, we know that EF is actually 42 over 5 or 8.4 meters. Thank you for watching this video. Come and join IMAGO, International Mathematical Advanced Geometry Olympiad. This competition will be held on March 26, 2022, online, in bilingual format of English and Indonesian language. Contact the competition committee through WhatsApp before 22nd of March to register.